Alright, we are back. I'm Lance with Super Barbecue. And we're back on the Weber today, and we're going to cook up some wings. As usual, everybody decides to come home right when the camera gets turned on. So I will once again say I am sorry for the background noise, but there ain't nothing I can do about the cars going up and down the road. I try to plan my cooks around later in the evening, hoping that most people have already gone out, done what they're going to do, and got back home and eat dinner like families do. But we got a bunch of wings here. I'm using Uncle Steve's competition bird shake. So if you can see that, I can't see the camera lens right now, but there's 0 grams of sugar. Sodium is 184 grams, which is 8% of your daily allowance based on a 1/4 teaspoon. And as you can tell, I've got more than a 1/4 teaspoon here, but we're good. We're also going to be trying G. Hughes Smokehouse Sugar-Free Barbecue Sauce, and this is a hickory flavor. And since we're using a hickory sauce, I thought I'd throw in a couple pieces of hickory wood. Let's get this party started. Close up the lid. I'm running usually about always. My bottom vent is all the way open, but my top vent is usually around 1/4 of an opening, maybe a little bit less. Alright, let's give these wings a look at. Might need to move them around. Might need to put some more heat on the fire. Alright, we did add a few more briquettes in there. Just as a camera a little bit for you. Put some more coal in there, but you hear that jingling around. That's my dog in the background. It's Wheels. It's an old pit bull. Loves to be part of what's going on. Still want that thick side towards the front. Alright, let's throw another little piece of hickory in here. Towards the end, I'm going to get some of my new favorite hot sauce, Sticker Mule. This one here has been private labeled for rack. And but Sticker Mule makes a hot sauce. As I said, this one's been private labeled for rack at Life Pottery is his YouTube channel. But here's the replacement from Sticker Mule. It's good stuff. But towards the end, I'm gonna get some of this on there and see if I can't get a little bit crispier skin. All right, let's have a look at them. Make sure I got the camera on. Oh yeah, looking good. There's 190 up front there. About the same, 190, 189. We're gonna sauce up most of these wings. All right, we got those wings moved around. Got the bare wings moved up front, wings moved out back. I'm gonna let them cook. All right, so for really pretty much the rest of this cook, I am going to add some of that sweet hot sauce I was telling you about, and I'm going to keep adding it and rotating it to these wings, and I want to try and get a sear on these wings because I've done this before on a flat plate, and I'm here to tell you them wings were out of this world. So I will have to watch them, get them a little closer. We're currently temping about 190. I'd like to see them a little bit higher than that. Of course, we'll repeat it on the back side. So we're going to keep watching these. We're probably not going to let you suffer through all this. I'm probably just going to go ahead and finish up this cook, and then we'll bring you back maybe a little bit later on. Well, not maybe, but we'll bring you back later on when smoke in my eyes. When we're ready to wrap it up. I've got to make this in record time. So the missus made some deviled eggs for me because she won't eat chicken wings. She uses a like a spicy jalapeno relish. Adds a bite to them, and they're so good. This right here is the that sweet and hot sauce that's on the wings, and have been seared a little bit. I wish I had a little bit more time for them, but ran out of time. Something about that sauce, when it's seared like that, it just adds another flavor to it, and you got all that heat. So very good. I hope I'm not making too much noise as I eat. I'm trying. This is the new barbecue sauce. I've mentioned it a couple times, but we're gonna get first bite. I already taste it. I like it. Very good. I'll bring you right back. All right, I'm Lance with Sleeper Barbecue. Gotta be a quick one. Enjoyed the meal. The sauce, the hot sauce is always great, and the new barbecue sauce, I'm really digging it. And I always love my wife's deviled eggs. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time.